Yeah, today we are going to see one more concept in the non-primitive data types. Right. Previously we have seen arrays in the under non-primitive data type section. Right. One more non-primitive data type, string. Right. String is a string is a class. Right. So far, say if I want to store single character. Right. So far we know only primitive data types. If I want to store char will allow only single character. If I want to store multiple characters, if I want to store multiple characters, there is no data type to store. Right. Now coming to picture, string will allow to store multiple characters. Right. By using string, we can store multiple characters or multiple words. Right. Multiple characters or multiple words we can store by using string. String is a class basically. It is a class. Right. String is a class. And string is the what are the features of the string? String is a immutable. What is immutable? If I create a string object, if I create a one string, we cannot modify it again. If you try to modify, it will create a new object. That means existing content we cannot modify once it is created. That is called immutable. Immutable. And the string literals are stored in the string constant pool. We will learn more detail all these things. Just we will see what are the features. String constant pool. Whenever we will create a string as a literal, string s equal, suppose string name equal to automation. Right. If I create like that, where it will create in a string constant pool. What is string constant pool? That is a memory. Right. We will see those. And it implements a char sequence interface. String class will implement a char sequence interface. This string class implements char seq and it allows to use it to with like it allows it to be used with other classes like a string builder, string buffer. Because of this char sequence interface, we can also use string and string builder, string buffer. Those things we will learn what is string builder, string buffer also in detail. And the string provides a inbuilt utility methods for string manipulations. Correct? We will see what are all those. These are the features immutable and the string stores in a string constant pool and it implements char sequence interface and it provides a built-in methods. These are the features of the string. Now coming to what are the ways we can create a string object? What are the ways we can create a string? What are the ways we can create a string? Right. String can be created. Right. Meanwhile, I will open Eclipse. Right. What are the ways to create a string in Java? String object. How many ways? We can create by using literal. We can create. Right. We can create by using right. I'm creating one more workspace. Just right. What are the ways we can create a string? By using literal. Literal means string str, some variable name, string str equal to double quotes. In string means character means how we will write a char, some gender equal to single quotes, we will give single character. Here we have to write string str1 equal to hello, double quotes. Within double quotes we can write right sequence of characters or multiple words. We can write either sequence of characters or multiple words, multiple lines also we can write in the string. Right. This will create a memory object in memory in the This does not create any new object. Right. What will happen was we will learn these two things. How it will create memory, those things. Right. This is the literal. How many ways we can create a string Right, first one is literal, by using literal, that means string str1 equal to hello. Right, it will create an object in the string pool. It will create an object in the string pool. Right, if I try to create a new keyword, by using new keyword also we can create. By using new keyword, we can create the string object. Right, here what will happen, in this case memory will be created in the heap memory. It will not create in the string pool. Only literals will be created in the string pool, but if you use the new keyword, memory will be created in the heap memory. Heap memory. Right. Right. We will see string pool and heap memory. These are all more detail. Right. Then string immutability. Immutability means what? Once we string object is created, we cannot change the value of it. Any modifications, it will create the new object. Right. Immutability means once we create the string object, we cannot modify it. Right. Suppose string s1 equal to hello. I am doing s1.concat something I want to concat to hello. What will happen? This does not modify s1. It will create a new object. It will create a new object. If we print s1, still it will print only hello only. It will not modify. Right. Suppose if I want to reassign, we can reassign it. Assign the new object back to the s1. Yes. S1 concat and old, then S1 become hello world. Then S1 become hello world. Right. Now I will see what is immutability, some more details. Right. I will provide some details. In interviews maybe we will get right what is immutability, what are the different ways to create a string. Right. First one is literal. Suppose I am creating some name 1. Okay. Right. Name 1 equal to, suppose double quotes, we have to give double quotes automation. Then where it will create right in the, okay, suppose this is a two memories, right? We have two memories. One is this is string pool, right? This is string pool, and this one more is heap memory, right? Heap memory, right? In the RAM. These are all where it will be. These are all in the RAM. Our system only RAM memory. It will create. Once we create, it will store automation here. Right. Right. This name one, right? Name one will point to automation. Right. It will create in a string constant pool. This is the literal way. Suppose if I create right string, right string something name to equal to, right, again I have created same string name to also with same content automation. What it will do, right, what it will do, it will not create any new memory for it. Already auto in the constant string pool, right, already automation is there. Name to also will point to same. Name to will point to same literal automation. It will not create any new. Suppose, right, now if I create a string name 3, right, name 3 equal to, by using new keyword, right, by using new keyword, if I create by using new keyword automation, okay, same. Now what will happen, I have used a new keyword, so what will happen, it will create a memory here in the heap memory. In the heap memory, it will create for name 3 variable, it will create memory here. Right, something that right, it will refer to that reference variable, it will create here and it will refer to that way. And then suppose one more, I'm creating more name for equal to new string thread automation. Right. If I create one more name for, but content is same only. Now it will not point to existing memory. Right. Whenever we will use a new keyword, we have to blindly remember. If I am using new keyword means it will create new memory. That's it. If it is a string literal means same content will point to same memory. If we have a different content means it will create a differently. Right. Whenever we will use a new keyword, right, it will create in the heap memory. Whenever we will use a literal, right, a literal way of creation, it will create a memory in string pool. Now in interview, right, we can also get question like what is the output of, right, there are two methods to compare, right, to compare the two strings, right, to compare the two, right, two strings we can use, then interframe central, we can use double equal or dot equal method, right, double equal or dot equal. Suppose name equal to name 2, what is the output? Right. Similarly, name 1 equal to name 3. What will happen? What is the output? Now, name 3 equal to name 4. What is the output? This is double equal by using double equal. We can also compare the strings by using dot equals method. String will have a equal method. String is a class. It has a method. There is a equal method. Name 1 dot equals, we can use name 2. Okay, we can write like this. Then again similarly name 1 dot equals name 3, name 3, right. Then name 3 dot equals famous interval question, very important, name 4, name, right. Name 1 equal to, if I use double equals, what will happen? What is the output? And if I use dot equals method, what is the output? Double equals will compare the memory references. Memory references. Dot equals will compare content. We have to remember this point. Double equal to will compare memory references. Memory references of the strings. Dot equals will compare values of the strings. Right. Suppose if you see name 1, name 2 will point to same memory. So what is the output? Double equal will compare memories. So both will have same memory. It will be true. Name 1 and name 3. Alright. Name 1 is in a different location. Name 3 is in different location. Both have different memories. False. Right. Name 3 and name 4. Right. It is in heap memory both, but both have different memories. Right. Both have different memories. So if content is same also, but double equal to will compare memory addresses, not the content. But here dot equal will compare content. Right. All are name 1 and name 2 is same content automation. So output is true. Name 1 and name 3 content is same. So output is true. Name 3 and name 4 is same content, output is true. Right. Famous interval. Right. They will give this right, they will create some strings, then they will ask output of it. Right. Double equal to will compare memory references, dot equal will compare content of it. Now why string is immutable? Why string is immutable? There is a right, right, if you take this right, first one, string pool. If you take a string pool, just I'll explain. Okay, I will copy paste that again. Right, string constant pool. Suppose see name one and name two pointed to name one and name two pointed to same automation. Suppose suppose right. Suppose if I change name one equal to something testing, instead of automation I change it to testing. Now if both are, see, now what happened here? Name one, name two pointed to same memory location, right? Now name one is updated. Suppose if Java people allows modifying instead of automation, same memory location, suppose if they change it, right, automation to testing. Now what will happen? Name 2, suppose if I print name 2 instead of automation, name 2 I did not change anything. Suppose if Java people allowed in the same memory location, if they allow to change, right, now every literal, right, all the name 1, name 2, name 3, suppose if 10 variables are pointing to same content in the string pool, what will happen? All will affect. All will affect. Right, that's why that is immutable. That means once we created string, right, as name equal to automation. Now what will happen? Name one I have changed it to update. What will happen? It is intelligent string constant pool. It will create one more literal. Now what will happen? This name one will delete reference here. Then it will point to testing. It will point to testing. That means that is immutability. Immutability means we cannot change content. If we try to change, it will create a new one, new one. Right? If they will allow, what will happen? What is the problem? If any one right, any one person is changed, it will affect all remaining. Right? That is the main problem. If they did not implement immutability. Right, because of immutability, if we try to modify, it will not affect any other, because it will every time if we modify the string, it will create new one. Right, I think you got it. If you have any doubts or more clarity, just comment it. We'll go through it more on it. Right, next we will go next we will go to what are the methods available in the string. Right, string is a class, so we will get multiple methods, right, utility methods. We will see what are all those. Suppose string text equal to automation, right, string text equal to automations. Quickly we will create a one project. How to create a Java project? Just go to other, click on the Java project, give the name of it. Just I am giving over Java and JDK. We select it. Just unselect, create module. We don't require, finish. Now, right, that's created. Then we will create, right, don't create class names with predefined names. String is the already available class name. So if you are also creating same name already existing one, we will not create JDK provided class names. Already string is there. If we create, right, we will get issues if we create with same name, right. So we just change it to string example instead of I want main method. We can also select the main method here, right, main method. So it will create automatically main method. Class will create with the main method, right. Now if you feel right, first time when we create the Eclipse and workspace, that size will be very less. Right? How to increase? We can go to window preferences, search for font, click on the colors and font, then go to basic text font, double click on text font, increase what is the size you want, you can. Right? If it is fine, just verify. If it is not fine, again change it. Right now, right, we are creating string str equal to something automation. Right, first one what we are looking at, what is the how to find the length of the string. Right, there is a method called str dot length. Str dot length. Right, str dot length. We can get the what is the length it will return integer. We can store right, length. What is the length of it? We can store it. Right, we will learn more about in the methods concept. Right, length method will return integer. We can store it into length equal to. Suppose if I want to print that length, system.out.println and this is length. Right, then just print it. Right, that's it. What is the length? 10. Length of the string is 10. Next one is concatenation. Right, concatenation. For automation, I want to add some testing. Right, for this automation, I want to add concat string dot concat. We can use concat. Right, space. We can give space and then testing, automation testing. Now, if I print again str, what will happen? It will not affect the original string, right? String is immutable. If you modify it, still automation only. Where is testing then? Right, we have to store it. Right, we have to either we can store in the same variable or new variable. Anything is fine. Right, if you want to write one more string concat string. Right, then if you write it will. Original thing will not change. Suppose if I print original one, right, str, it will not modify automation only. Right. Right, concat method is used to concat the for existing string. We can append some additional text. Right, additional text. Then uppercase and lowercase. Right, uppercase and lowercase. We can convert. Suppose, right, I want to convert this str to all characters to uppercase or lowercase. Right, just system.out.println str dot to uppercase. There is a method called to lowercase or to uppercase. Right, to lowercase str dot to uppercase. To lowercase and to uppercase. Let's see. To lowercase, all change it to small. All change it to uppercase. Yeah. To uppercase methods. Then contains. Right, contains. Now I want to verify. Right, this is an automation. I want to verify. We can. There is a method called str dot contains. Either we can give single character or multiple characters. We can give or multiple words. Suppose I want to verify in the automation MA is there or not. Right, otherwise we'll create right one more. Right, one more. str1. Alright, simply I will write a automation test. Right, I want to verify test is available or not. Test is available or not. If it is available, what is the return type? If you mouse over it, we can show it will return boolean. Return true if the string contains the specified character values. If str1 is contains test, it will return true, otherwise false. Right, currently str1 contains a test, so it should return true. Right, it should return true. If it is not, suppose I am giving test11 something. Right, now it will happen false because there is no test11 in the str1. Right, it will return false. Contains. Then substring method. Then one more is substring method. Right. Substring. I want to extract. This is the entire string. I want to extract some part of it, some characters from the main string. Right. str1 dot substring. From where I want to extract. Right. Index will start from 0. Right. Previous class we have seen arrays index will start from 0. Here also 0. Most of the times it will start from 0 only index. Right, substring. I have to give from where I want to extract which position. Right, I want to extract from 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. From M onwards I want to extract. Then we can give 4. Right, just print it. System.out.println inside brackets just directly print it. It will print on the console. That's it. Substring. We can extract. We can give the start index from where I want to extract. Similarly, we can extract both start point, end point also we can substring of begin index, end index. I can give begin and end index. Suppose I want to extract from fourth position to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, up to 9. Now here, right, MATION. But N is not in. See, N did not come. We will confuse. Why it did not come ninth position? We have to read it. Right. The end position is exclusive. Starting position is inclusive. End position is exclusive. That means what? It will print from fourth position to 9 minus 1. End position minus 1. It will take up to 8th only. That is end position is exclusive. That means it will less than 1. So if you want n, we have to give 10. Right? Start position is inclusive, end position is exclusive. We have to remember that. Substring. By using substring, we can extract the part of the main string. Then replace. Right, replace. Right, suppose in the above string I want to str1 dot replace str1 dot replace. What is the old character? I want to replace test with some xyz. Alright, test with xyz. Now if I print it, see automation testing it is changed to xyz. By using replace, we can replace the string. We can replace the existing string with the new one. Then start and end with. Sometimes what will happen? I want to verify this strings start with automation or suppose automation testing is there. I want to verify whether this string starts with automation or not, or ends with testing or not. Starting with anything we can give, either single character or multiple characters. At system.out.println str1 dot starts with. I want to verify str1 is starting with auto or not. If it is starting with means it will return true. See, it is returning true. Otherwise false. Now one more str1 dot ends with we have to give the suffix testing. I want to verify whether it is ends with testing or not. Right, it will return true. We can also give ing. Suppose if I give right, true. But if you give test, it will return false because it not ends with the test. It is ends with ing. Test. Either we can give only G or ng, ing, testing, anything. Right? Starts with and ends with. And then sometimes what will happen? Let's see. Sometimes when we are getting data from the database or some other files, we will get some spaces before and after. Before and after. I want to remove those spaces. I want to remove those spaces. How to remove? Let us just will keep it as SRT2. Then SRT2 dot there is a method called trim. There is a method called trim. What it will do? It will remove the spaces. See, there is no space. Trim method will remove the starting and ending, not middle. Only starting and end positions. Spaces it will remove. It will remove. Okay. Then one more is split. One more is split. Right. Sometimes in interview they will ask how do you split a, in suppose str3 I have, right, like suppose I am mentioning something, right, I have a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right, Thursday, right, like this, right, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right. I want to extract these things. I want to split one by one value. I want to print Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I want to print like this. Right now, str3. What is the separator here for Monday, Tuesday space, space, space. Right. Then we can give split this with the space. We can give one space. Either it may be, see, we can also have a commas, either space or comma or whatever it may be, any other character. If there is any other character, we can give that, it will split it. Currently it is all are differentiated, right, differentiated with space. So split what it will return? String array, right, a string array. It will split and print the string array. Now simply I will use for each loop to print the what is the array contains. Right here, here, or just yes, here. How to print it? That is system.out.println. Just print. Just I am using print. So side by side, I can print side by side. Let's see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Same thing. Println means it will print in line by line. Just if you give print means, see, println is line by line. Print means side by side. How you want to print? We can. Right. By using split method, we can split right existing string by using some separator. We have to give what is the common separator. Right here we have a apple, orange, banana with some comma. Here separator is comma. So we are giving split comma. It will separate string array. It will return split method will return string array. Right, comparison. Right, just we have seen comparison by using double equal to. We can compare what it will compare. It will compare references. Right, not the content. Right. If the content is same, A and B will point to same memory location. Then it will become true. If the content is not same, suppose it is a small h or capital H also, it will be differential. Both are different. Now it will come false. Content should be same. Then only in the string constant pool it will save in the same memory. Then it will return true. Suppose we are creating new operator, right? New operator. Then double equal to will become what? This is in string constant pool. This is in heap memory. Both memory, right? Memory addresses are different, so it will be false. We can use equal method. Right? By using equal method, we can compare the content. If both the strings are, by whether it is in a constant pool or in a heap memory, whatever it means, whether it is a literal new keyword, if the content is same, it will return true. It will return true. Suppose, right? String s4 equal to, right, Java. Similarly, string s5 equal to, right, suppose if I print s4 equal to s5, now what will happen? True, because both memories are same. Suppose I have given Java 1. Now what will happen? These memories both will be different. This is different content, this is different content, and string constant pool, it will create two different memories. So false. And both the content is same, then both memories will be same, then it will be same. Double equal will use it to compare memories. And a dot s4 s4 dot equals s5. Equal method will compare content. So both content is central. Suppose here I have given small content. Now see, memory address also will be different. Equal method also unable to both capital and small case sensitive. Java is a case sensitive, so both are different. Content also different. Suppose I want to ignore this case. We can use equal ignore case. Equal ignore case. Now what will happen? It will ignore whether it is upper or lower. Content is same, it will validate. Now see, equal ignore case will print true. It will ignore whether it is an upper or lower. If it is a content is same, these characters are same, it will become true. It will become true. Right. Next, there are multiple things string. Right. We will see in the next class. Right. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts or any questions, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.